is Maria Middle, and I'm doing my favorite thing, cooking, for all of my friends that are coming over. You might have heard of them. Beatrice Beginnings, Edith Endings, and Laverne Length. They're some of my favorites. They're coming over, and we are going to be eating tacos. But while you're here and I'm making my tacos, I'm going to talk to you about something else I absolutely love, writing. I'm going to tell you how to make a fantastic story. You need to have a beginning, a middle, and an end. I'm going to demonstrate how to write that fantastic story with my taco. If you notice, the beginning and the end are much smaller than the middle, the meaty, detail-packed part. I'm going to let Beatrice and Edith talk to you about the beginning and the end a little bit later. I'm going to focus on the middle today. The middle's where most of the story takes place. In the beginning, we normally introduce our characters, our setting, we hook our readers, and in the middle is where all the action happens. You are going to have events leading up to the top, which is the climax, the most exciting part of your story. Then you're going to have some more events, and then it's going to be all wrapped up at the end. We are going to add details to our taco, just like you need to add details to your story. We are going to add lots of meat, just like you guys need to add lots of details and action to your story. So you're probably wondering, well, what do I need to add in my details? That's easy. First, we need to make sure we have transition words as we go through our events. What happened first? What happened second? What happened after that? What finally happened? You also need to make sure that you're using lots of description. What did you see? What did you hear? What did you taste? What did you feel? Make sure to add proper nouns, like call it Taco Bell instead of the restaurant. Woo! Love tomatoes. Also, make sure to add lots of purple wow words. I know you guys know a lot of those. Those make it really good. Ooh, my cheese is falling off. Make sure you add comparisons. This taco is as good as a day at the beach. I just think that's the best beach and tacos. Also, make sure you add lots of adjectives. Describe everything the best you can. And finally, you can also add some facts in there. Maybe you've researched something and you know something about it, or you just know a lot about something. Lots of us. Also, have you done the Slinky test? Do you know that the middle of your story needs to have short sentences and long sentences? And finally, I think I know. Make sure it's really organized. Make sure it's in a good sequence and it doesn't skip around and go everywhere, but goes from the beginning all the way to the end and makes sense in order. All right, I hope you guys have learned today to make sure to always make sure your story is organized, that you have a beginning, a middle, and an end, that your middle is packed full of details. It's where all the action takes place, and then it goes in order. All right, I've got my friends that will be here soon for our fiesta party, so adios!